In environments where people, electricity, and water meet, shock protection is essential. Introducing the SB4000 Shock Block, the ultimate ground fault protection solution for industrial, commercial, and residential applications. Built with a streamlined design, the SB4000 supports single-phase, split-phase, and three-phase systems up to 30 amps. Whether you're working in agriculture, food processing, construction, or around pools and fountains, safety starts with the SB4000. SB4000 features, UL94T3 listed, meets NEC requirements for GFCI and SPGFCI protection. Advanced digital filtering, eliminates nuisance trips, quick install and configuration, screwless terminals and selectable reset modes. Streamlined design, customizable knockouts and adjustable mounting feet. Automatic self-test, ensures continuous protection. IP69K and NEMA 4X enclosure, ready for harsh environments. From fountains to mining, HVAC to amusement parks, the SB4000 is engineered for wherever people, equipment, and water coexist. For maximum protection of people and equipment, choose the Littelfuse Shock Block SB4000.